Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're tired of wasting hours of trying to build your own website, or if you're burned cash on expensive services that promises the world but delivers scraps, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Clonezy AI can do, the good, the bad, and the surprising parts that no one else is talking about. Stick around because I'll reveal whose this tool is perfect for, where it actually falls short, and at the end, 5 incredible bonus you can get absolutely free if you buy through my link below. Let's jump into a quick overview, then we'll move in straight into the pros and cons. So, what exactly is Clonezy AI? It's an AI powered cloud based app that instantly clones, hosts, and publish any website on the internet, including all its digital assets, in just a few clicks. These are the key features which is worth to highlight. First one, add unlimited custom domains and subdomains. And the second one, it can host unlimited website for life at no extra cost, and built-in world-class AI image and graphic generator. And the fourth one, advanced SEO tool to skyrocket your Google ranking. So it's basically like having a complete web team without paying monthly fees. Let's talk about pros and cons. First, I'll go with pros. Free commercial license. Use it for clients' projects and start earning instantly as a freelancer. Lightning fast load speed. Within built-in image optimization, your website get loaded quickly, so it will reduce the bounce rate. And SEO and analytics. Feature to help track your site's performance. And the last one, 24/7 premium support. Fast response when you hit a snag. But let's not pretend it's perfect. Now talk about cons. Here's the two cons you should know. The first one, the AI could use a little more polish. Beginners might take a few minutes to get comfortable first, and no mobile app, so everything happens from your browser. Thankfully, these don't have a major impact, and I found workarounds pretty quickly. Let's now take a peek at how Clonezy AI actually works. You can literally copy any live website. I'll show the demo.
You create your very own top quality website, but didn't know where to start, where to find developers, where to do all of that. What if I told you that you could find a big template such as this one for the Financial Times and then edit it for yourself? With Clonezy, this is now possible. It's as easy as going to the dashboard, creating your very own template, letting Clonezy create the template, downloading, and get sent straight to our editor in Clonezy, where it's all drag and drops, where you can go and edit, for example, this headline here. Welcome to Clonezy. You can go and you can do anything you want with any sort of template. And with integrated AI that will help you write your text, as well as integrated AI image generator with ChatGPT o3 that can create perfect text for you. This is your very own URL, or you can export it to your welcome to Clonezy. I can change.
Now, ratings and final verdict. After using Clonezy AI for a few days, here is my honest verdict. The bundled features, I'm giving 4 out of 5. For pricing, again I'm giving 4 out of 5. And value for money, I'm giving 4 out of 5. And easy to set up and easy to use, I'm giving 4 out of 5. It's not a magic wand, but it's one of the few tools I've tested that actually delivers what it claims. Oh, and it's only cost you $16. And if you need any additional discount, check the description. I'm giving the discount coupons as well, even a better. So don't forget to use that to save some money. Now it's a time for bonus reveal, and as promised, if you purchase Clonezy AI through my link, I'll send you 5 bonus gifts completely free as a thank you for supporting the channel. First bonus is 100 plus free templates for video editing, and second thing is viral video script you can use for any niche, and the third one is AI powered video creation script, And the fourth bonus is AI automation ebook, and the last final bonus is AI cartoon animation video bundle. All you need to do is grab Clonezy AI using my link in the description, and your bonus will be on the way instantly. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe because I share more hidden tools, bonus hacks, and productivity tricks in my upcoming YouTube shorts. If you have any questions about Clonezy AI, drop them in the comment. I respond to every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.